This is day 15 of quitting my job and moving to California from Ohio. Today I'm in San Diego. And it is damn near perfect. You know, I've only been in San Diego for about 30 minutes. It's everything I've dreamt of and more. Check it out. We got these little crabs back here. Let's see if I can get a closer look. About a month ago, I put in my 2 weeks notice, and I decided to move out here to Cali. No job, and about $2,000 worth of savings. I took a jump, and it's paid off tremendously. I challenge you. Do something you've always wanted to do. Stop putting it off. Believe in yourself, and the universe will take care of you. Follow me for more content. I'll be jumping around to a few different cities coming up here, but San Diego is bomb AF.